London's full of history, but recently I'm interested in visiting important places near it. Kingston is 13 miles away from London by the River Thames. The river has shaped the history of this place. Since the old days when you could cross it on foot. Before bridges, people simply crossed the shallow waters at Kingston. It was the main overland crossing before London Bridge was built. And so Kingston became an important market town built around this strategic crossing. Before that, by the 10th century, Kingston rose to prominence as a royal town in Anglo-Saxon England. Several kings were crowned there. During my visit, I kind of focused on the river and the few things I have described. I don't really go to places ticking off many boxes. I tend to just find the most meaningful things to visit or learn about. And so this is all for now. I hope that you have enjoyed it and learned some interesting things, and I'll see you the next one. For as long as it feels right. You would leave them behind, 'cause you were meant for the sun to be just one with the sun. She shall never burn. You shall